Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you all people are asking me that, sir, I had qualified Eamcet, but in my rank card it is showing that qualifying exam marks are not available. So first of all, we will discuss why it is showing that qualifying exam marks are not available. First of all, in the first case, if you are a supplementary student, then it will be show that qualifying exam marks are not available. Second case, while filling the online application of TSMCET 2020, if you entered your hall ticket number wrong, then it will be shown that qualifying exam marks are not available. Or in place of second year hall ticket number, entering first year hall ticket number. And in the third case, for the CBSE and other board students, those who have not declared their marks. So yesterday, JNTU Hyderabad has released a press note regarding TSMCET 2020 rank cards of supplementary students. So let's go through the press note. The results of TSMCET 2020 for engineering stream were released on 6th October 2020. It is to be bring the following points to your notice about allotting the ranks in TSMCET 2020. For the candidate who have passed the intermediate exam in advanced supplementary June 2020, their marks will be generated later as per the government order, which is follow every year. For TSMCET 2020, these ranks will be finalized and will be published by 8 October 2020, means today itself. So from today, the advanced supplementary students can download their rank card and go for the counseling from tomorrow. So now if you talk regarding the students, those who have entered their hall ticket number wrong, they should have to submit a request to change their hall ticket number, then only your rank will be declared. So today the advanced supplementary students can download their respective rank card from the official website of TSMCET 2020. So that's all for this video. Make sure to share this informative video with your friends and family members, and if you have any doubt, just comment in the comment section and make sure to join my WhatsApp group. The link is available in the description. Thanks for watching.